Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and we have some amazing specials going on in the month of June, so watch this video to find out more. All right, so first on our list of awesome specials we have, our friends at SoundSkins are taking 15% off all of their pre-cut Harley sound deadening kits for the whole month of June. So whether you're wrapping those front fairing pods or doing your whole saddlebags, you're going to get substantially better mid-bass from making that a much better sound enclosure by adding this dampening material to it. Already pre-cut, easy to install, and we've got great step-by-step videos walking you through that process. Kenwood cameras. Listen, I don't have a lot of these left. These were originally $549. They're $150. Front and rear cameras, DVR, recording your ride, recording an accident if it happens. We don't want that to happen, but we want to make sure if it does that we know who's at fault. Saves you a bunch of money on your insurance if you get in one of those incidents and you've got that footage. Velocity full plug-and-play audio systems. Now for 2014 to 2023, whether you have a road glide or a street glide, we've got a kit that's going to come with your 6x9 cutting kits, your 6x9 inch speakers, your 6.5s for the fairing, your front fairing grills, and an 1100 watt plug-and-play amp. Normally it's almost $2,900. They're $1,499 for the whole system, completely plug and play. We've got a few left. We're going to keep running this till we run out of them, so you're going to want to act soon. Soundstream Reserve, they have decided they're going to run the best radio for those 1998 to 2013 street glides, ultra limiteds, electric glides on sale, $100 off. This is the only radio for those bikes that has onboard navigation, also has wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, but it does wireless headset connectivity. So connect your Cardo or Sena headset, send that navigation to it, your phone calls to it, and still play that audio at the speakers. Amazing radio, a ton of features that I didn't just talk about. It does so much more. Huge screen, but right now the lowest it's been all year at $100 off. Infinity Kappa Perfect motorcycle speakers. Now when you get an Infinity set of speakers, you're getting a component set for the front and all of your grills included. They're 20% off right now. That's going to bring them down from $599 to the upper $400 range, like $470 something a set for 6.5s. But the real value is going to be these 6x9s. They come with the cutting kits. So you can modify those lids, put the 6x9s in, true component set. Normally $649, currently $519, 20% off all Infinity motorcycle speakers right now. We have these available in full plug-and-play systems at volunteeraudio.com. But on top of all of this, if you buy a Hertz system, a Cicada system, or even an Infinity system in the month of June and come see me, let me do that install. Let Brian do that install. Let my team work on your bike, and we're going to give you 50% off labor. So if it was a $600 install, you're only paying $300. If it was an $800 install, you're only paying $400. I'm paying half of it for you, up to $500 off for the month of June. So call now, talk to our sales team at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Let's talk about your bike, your build, your budget. Let's go over it together. Let's get the right system put together for your bike, and let's make those plans. Come to Tennessee. Ride our beautiful roads that we have here. Go to the Cherahalla Skyway, go to the Foothills Parkway, go to the Devil's Triangle, or even ride the Dragon. Do that while you're here. It's a beautiful time of the year to come visit us and let us get your sound right. And don't forget, we're doing our rider bike build of the week every week for the rest of the year. I'm giving $250 to somebody. It's free to enter. Go to volunteeraudio.com to learn more about that. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.